I had won several British championships. I thought I was amazing. Rocked up to the black belt grading, failed. I had to go back to the class without a black belt on. Other students had black belts on. It was just heartbreaking. I failed my black belt grading. I failed my black belt grading when I was 11. I failed it because I was lazy, because I was beginning to get lazy. And it was such a shock to my system. And it cost 100 quid for my dad to send me to the black belt grading. It was a full day event. Don Deedigan was there. We had the same instructors. Don Deedigan was there. Michael Tucker was there. And I had won several British championships. I thought I was amazing. Rocked up to the black belt grading, failed. I had to go back to the class without a black belt on. Other students had black belts on. It was just heartbreaking. And my dad said to me, I'll help you get to another black belt grading, and I'll buy you another grading, but you have to train every single day. So for the next 6 months, I went to every single class in the area, so 5 days a week. And then at the end of that, I completely smashed it with a distinction, and I was a completely transformed person. But it was that moment, that kind of turning point, where motivation became very intrinsic. It wasn't extrinsic. You see what I'm saying? And that is something we want to apply to all aspects of our child's life. That's the power of the black belt journey. When you start to use these tools to influence every aspect of your child's life. It's not about martial arts, but using it as a tool to develop these really, really important characteristics in your children.